Hi, my name is Andrew Sendall and I'm a developer working on the Gift Aid Recorder app for Epos Now. In this demonstration video I'm going to show you how the Gift Aid Recorder Epos Now integration can help you manage your retail gift aid process. For the purpose of the demonstration, the process begins with a completed gift aid declaration and a bag of items we wish to put on sale in our charity shop. First, I must log in to Gift Aid Recorder with my email address and password. The web app is hosted at giftaidrecorder.co.uk. The home page or dashboard has a start button to begin the process of adding a new donor or locating an existing donor. When I click Start, I'm presented with an opportunity to check that the donor is registered. In this case, I enter the donor's surname, Jones, just to confirm that I have not already used this example. No records are returned, so I click New Donor to begin entering details. First, I enter the title, initial and surname and click Next. Because my Gift Aid Recorder account has postcode lookup enabled, I can enter a postcode to look up the new donor's address. Postcode lookup requires a postcoder web account, which is a paid service provided by Allies Computing. Having selected the correct address, I can skip to the next page, which asks me to confirm that I have a valid gift aid declaration for the new donor. I click Next again, and I'm presented with a confirmation screen which allows me to check the information I've entered is correct, and if necessary, go back to make corrections. As I am happy with the details I've entered, I click Finish to create the new donor account. If required, I can print a generic gift aid declaration from the donor account page. Returning to the donor account page, I click Receive Goods to begin listing items for sale. On the goods receipt, I click Add Item to begin listing a pair of trousers. I select trousers from the category drop-down. Categories in Gift Aid Recorder are automatically synchronized with Epos Now. I set a price and click Add to return to the goods receipt, where we can now see the trousers listed. I add two more items, a coat and a jumper, in the same way, although this time, instead of returning to the list after adding the second item, I use the Add Another button for efficiency. I'm done adding items now, so I click Post to Epos Now to have Gift Aid Recorder create the product records for me on Epos Now. In the next part of the video you see me repeat the process, but this time the donor already exists. I locate the existing donor and create a new goods receipt. This time there is only one item, a pair of trousers, and I use the variable price option. This will allow me to set the price when the item is selected at the till. Both goods receipts now exist on Epos Now as stock movements. I locate the stock movement in Epos Now and use the label printing features to generate my barcode labels. My demonstration continues at the point of sale. I scan the barcode for the first pair of trousers, which is automatically added to the transaction. I then scan the second pair of trousers, and Epos Now asks me to enter the price. This is the variable price mechanism in action. I set a price of £12. Now, using myself as an example customer, I also record a cash donation. I use the Gift Aid Recorder Till app to enter the donor details. This looks very similar to the new donor wizard we used before, but in this case the details are displayed on the till and can be printed on a till receipt to provide confirmation of a gift aid declaration. I add a cash donation of £25 to the transaction, and Epos Now reminds me to ask for a gift aid declaration. I confirm, as I have already done that. I complete the transaction by clicking Pay and choose Cash as the payment method. Returning to Gift Aid Recorder and choosing Transactions from the Retail Gift Aid menu, we can see that Gift Aid Recorder has detected the transaction and recorded the sales against the account I created for Mr. Jones. From the Gift Aid menu, I choose Donations, and we can see that Gift Aid Recorder has subtracted our 5% commission from the resulting donations. We can also see the additional £25 cash donation the customer made, in this case me, at the time of purchase. In the following part of the demonstration, I skip using Epos Now and record a sale directly in Gift Aid Recorder. My demonstration account is set up to use Gift Aid Method A, which imposes a limit for automatic donations of £100 of net sales in a tax year. In order to demonstrate the notification process, I record a sale which pushes the new donor above the limit. When we look at the donor's recent donations, we can see that only part of the new sale has been recorded as a donation. The amount takes the donor up to the £100 limit for the tax year. Next, I create a donor notification batch called Additional Sales and select an arbitrary period which I know includes my additional sales. In the real world, this period would match my claim cycle and might be called something like Additional Sales October 2019. I download a CSV file of the additional sales, which in this case only contains one record. I use it in a Microsoft Word mail merge to generate notification letters. I return to the Gift Aid Recorder and mark individual notifications as sent. In this demonstration I choose a date in the past in order that I can immediately confirm the additional sales as a donation. In normal operation, Gift Aid Recorder enforces the 21-day period donors are given to respond to the notification of additional sales. Now I create a gift aid claim which includes all unclaimed donations up to and including the date I specify. In this case, the 8th of October. In addition to the standard ODS claim schedule, there is a reporting feature which allows generation of retail sales summary for a specified period. This is an Excel spreadsheet which contains two worksheets. The first summarises sales by location, and the second has totals for each donor. In the next sequence, you see how Gift Aid Recorder looks on a small device, a phone or a tablet, and I demonstrate a feature which is still in development. It will soon be possible with a compatible printer to print a donor label from the donor account page. The donor label will include a QR code which will allow you to label bags of donated goods for easy identification. The QR code will link directly to the donor account page. Thank you for watching.